So children, today we are going to discuss about factor theorem. Factor theorem. So children, whenever they give any polynomial, along with that polynomial, they will give one root. Along with the polynomial, they will give one root. That root, we have to substitute in that polynomial and we have to check whether it is divisible or not. Let's do some numerical, then you will understand. Okay, children. Check whether x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 or not. That's all. So children, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 because 3 comes here. Substitute that here. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 12. So 27 minus 27 plus 12 minus 12. This gone 0. Yes, x minus 3 is a factor. If remainder comes, it is a remainder theorem. If 0 is coming, it is a factor theorem. It is a factor. That's why 0 is coming. If it was not a factor, you would have got some remainder. Because 0 is a remainder, yes, it is a factor. You should find. That's all. I asked ST. ST means show that. Okay, children. Anyway, one more sum I'm showing children. It will be very easy. All sums will be very easy. I'm showing. Go to 8th sum, children. I'm showing 8th sum for everyone. Show that 3x minus 2 is a factor of 8th sum, children, is a factor of 3x cube minus x square minus 20x plus 12. Okay, children. So 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2. 2 comes here. X is equal to 2 by 3. Substitute 2 by 3 here, children. X substitute 2 by 3 here. So 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Okay, children. So now I'm showing the solvation, children. Just we have to check whether it is a factor or not. That's all. Okay. This I'm doing here, children. So 3 into 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 22s are 40, 40 by 3 plus 12. Okay. 3 nines are 27, 8 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. What is LCM? 9 is LCM. 9 ones, 9, 1 8's 8, 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 40s are 120. Okay, plus 12. Okay, children. So, 1 second, see children here. So, what you are getting there? So, minus 120 minus 4 is minus 124. 12 plus 8 is 20 by 9. So, minus 104 by 9 you are getting as remainder. So, as you are getting remainder something else, is it a factor, children? Yes or no? Is it a factor?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
it is not a factor. Why? Because you have to get 0. If you get 0 only, so we have write 3x minus 2 is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, children, like that you have to do. Okay, one more sum, children. What is one more sum we will do? 10th sum, children. 10th sum. Please check 10th sum, children. They are asking check whether x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of check whether it is a factor of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 or not. Okay, sums will be there in the description. Please see. Okay, so first you have to split the middle term. This one, split the factorize. When you factorize this, x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2, children. Okay, directly if you do long division method, you will get 0. That is different issue. Directly also, if you divide, you can get the remainder 0. If you are getting some remainder, no. If you are getting 0 remainder, yes. But without division, how to do? By using factor theorem. Without division, I am showing children. Okay, so x into x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, children. So x minus 2 is one factor, x minus 1 is one factor, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Substitute once 2, once 1. In both cases, if you get 0, yes, it is a factor. Who is a factor? This is a factor. Okay, you have to substitute both, children. Okay, both you have to substitute. First 2 you substitute all of you. 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6. 2 cube is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 6 is 24 plus 22 minus 6. 22 plus 8 is how much, children? 30. And minus 24 minus 6, 30. That is 0. Yes. X minus 2 is a factor. Now let's check x minus 1 means 1. You substitute 1. 1 cube 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 11 plus 1, 12. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. 0 you are getting, yes. So children, x minus 1 is also factor. As x minus 2 and x minus 1 both are factors, x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor. Like this. Okay, it is a factor. Like this way. Okay, children, like this is one sum. Okay, now apart from this, go to the second page, children. All of it. Go to the second page. All of you, please go to the second page, Nana. When you go to the second page, uh, last sum you see, children, 20th sum. I will say for you 18, 19, 20. Remaining all you have to do as homework, children. I am going to say you 18, 19, 20. Up to 20, all sums you should do. Up to 20, all sums you should do. Sir did that, sir did this, nothing like that. You have to do all sums up to 20. But for 18, 19, 20, I am telling children. I am telling, okay? So first 20th sum I will say, then 19, then 18, because 18th is bigger sum. 20th sum, children, see here. Find x if x plus 3 is a factor of x plus 3 is a factor of what, children? 3x square plus kx plus 6. That's all.
Sir, find k.
Okay, find k. Find k. Okay, no. Find k. Find k. You see here, children. So, children, he said x plus 3 is a factor. If x plus 3 is a factor, remainder I can take 0 now, children. Yeah, remainder will come. Remainder I can take 0 now because he said it is a factor. If you don't take 0, you can't do the sum, children. Okay. Now you tell put k, children. You have to find out x is equal to minus 3. You put here, then you will get k. 3 into minus 3 whole square, k into minus 3 because we are putting k here, plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3, 9, 9 3 is 27, minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3k you bring here, 27 plus 6 is 33, 3k will come here, 3k. Now 3 will go down, children, 33 by 3 is equal to k, so 11 is equal to k, means k is equal to 11. Like that you have to, children. Easy sums now? Okay. Anyway, if you are getting confusion, do 19 sum. He only said find a, x minus a is a factor, he said. Means x is equal to a. Is a factor of what? X cube minus a square x plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. You should put, children. Why is equal to 0? Because this is a factor. If this is a factor, you will get remainder 0 only. Understand? Okay. No, sir, remainder you will get, I mean, something is there, they will give, children. Okay. So substitute x is equal to a cube minus a square into a plus 2 is equal to 0. A cube minus a cube plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus a cube minus a cube got a plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 comes here, a is equal to minus 2. Okay, children? This is 19th sum. Now 18th sum I'm saying 18th one, all of you please check, children. 18th sum. 18th sum is a little bit bigger. Suddenly it came in the middle. Actually, I gave him level 2 sums, 18, like 18 to all level 2. Find a and b if x square minus 4 is a factor. Children, x square minus 4 is a factor means, try to understand, children. This we can write as x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Means x plus 2 also factor, x minus 2 also factor. Children, this is also factor, this is also factor. Try to understand. So x is equal to once we should take minus 2, x is equal to once we should take plus 2. And you have to substitute. In what you have to substitute, what is the equation I have given? Please check there. Is a factor of ax4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus bx minus 4. Find a and b essential. Find a and b. A and b. So once you substitute this, you'll get one equation. Once you substitute this, you'll get another equation. Solve both the equations, you'll get the answer. That's all. Okay, I'm saying, see here. A into, first I'm substituting minus 2 to the power of 4, 2 into minus 2 to the power of 3, 3 into minus 2 to the power of 2 plus b into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is how much, children? 16a. This is how much cube is there. Minus will remain as minus into plus minus 16. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. 4 minus 12 minus 2b minus 4 is equal to 0. 16a minus 28 minus 32 minus 2b is equal to 0. 32 you take variation. 16a minus 2b is equal to 32. Okay, children. I hope you are not getting any confusion. So, children, if you want, you take 2 common here. If you take 2 common here, 8a minus b is equal to 32. 2 goes down slowly, you see. 8a minus b is equal to 32 by 2 is how much, children? 16. This is first equation. Now substitute plus 2. You will get second equation. I am substituting plus 2, children. All of you see here. A into 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 into 2 to the power of 3, 3 into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So how much is this, children? 16a plus 16 minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12 plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 0. Please check, children, all of you. 16a plus 2b, 16 minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16 plus 16 minus 16, 0, children. 0. Take 2 common. 8a plus b is equal to 0. Here 2 comes down. 8a plus b is equal to 0. Two equations are there. Solve these two equations, you will get A and B. Actually, children, this sum is alone. One sum only I gave in 20. Remaining all are easy sum. This suddenly I gave in the middle. This will come in tomorrow's sums actually. 8a minus b is equal to 16. 8a plus b is equal to 16. 8a plus b is 0. I am solving. Please see here, children. This cancel. 80 plus 80 is 16a. 16 plus 0 is 16. So 16, 16 cancel. A is equal to 1. Okay. Now substitute A here or here, children. You will get B also. Here I am substituting. 8 into 1 minus B is equal to 16. Okay. 8 minus B is equal to 16. This comes here. This goes here. 8 minus 16 is equal to B. And B is equal to minus 8. Actually, tomorrow I will discuss all these varieties only, children. Don't get confused. Don't get confused, children. Tomorrow I'll discuss all like these varieties. Okay, 18th sum, please copy down all of you. Any other sum you want me to explain, children, in 20 sums? Once check and tell me. Any other sum you want me to explain in 20 sums? All sums are easy, children, except this sum. Like these varieties, I will say again tomorrow in second part. Anyone want me to explain any sum, children, in 20 sums? You can tell if you want.